In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Madden NFL 26 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done this, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So quickly go to the Steam website. Don't waste too much time here, because we are not going to buy it at Steam. We are going to download it on another website. Search up the game Madden NFL 26 and select the game. Then scroll a little bit down and then you will find out that this game is quite expensive at Steam. €48.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround. What you can do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game, Madden NFL 26. Select the game, search for it, then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Once you have done this, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. After that, select the game, then open the game page, and then you will find out that this game is already available for just €35.29 compared to the Steam price of €48.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, if you purchase this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!